Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Samsung Galaxy A40. So first go into the settings, then scroll down into the battery and device care. Right here we have software updates. Make sure to enable the auto download over Wi-Fi, and right here you can download and install via mobile networks. Go back into the learning usage patterns, and here you can enable the power saving mode. Go back and now into the display, enable the dark theme and adaptive brightness. Then scroll down and screen timeout, shorten this time. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.